So hello guys, so today I will teach you some basic techniques on how to make a Valentine card, basic Valentine card. So here are the materials that I'll be using. So some scissors, some papers, um, some more papers, and basically that was all it, and a portfolio for some base. That thick papery thingy on that portfolio is what we need. So now we'll start the cutting. To achieve that, we need to apply these cutting techniques. So what I did is I outlined something using a pen, then started cutting it. So ayan, makikita nyo naman sa video na talagang nagugupit ako, and ayan, inaayos ko talaga para pantay. So ayan nga, since tapos na tayo, is ayusin naman natin yung size niya dun sa folder, since ididikit natin siya dyan. So ayan nga, so nakita nyo nga pala na nasukat na natin, kaya gupitin na natin. So ayan, nakuha na natin yung gusto nating size, and sukat pa lang ay okay na siya, kaya okay na. Let's proceed with the next step, which is yung pagdidikit. So ayan, ayan nga guys, so ididikit na natin siya, and para mas okay na rin. So ayan, naidikit na nga pala natin siya using a stapler. So hindi na tayo gumamit dito ng glue, kasi mapapapangit niya yung quality ng paper natin, magkakaroon ng smudges, and ayun nga pala yung mga dumi na ano natin. So ito nga pala is another layer, which is this one is a band paper guys. So ayan po yung pinakasusulatan natin ng letter, and ayan, meron nga pala tayong mga stickers dito for designing. So kung meron naman kayong mga available na supplies, so pwede nyo siyang gamitin. So ayan, so ayun nga pala, after nga pala natin mag-cut, is nag-proceed na tayo sa next step, which is yung pagsusulat nga ng mismong letter. So ayan guys, so medyo mahaba lang yung process ng pagsusulat natin, since medyo pinagtuunan ko rin ng pansin yan kahit na tabi-tabingi yung sulat ko. So I hope you appreciate that my effort guys, I think. But that's all for now. I'll be putting on some music for you to enjoy.
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do do do. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family.
So dito nga guys, is patapos na tayo sa pagsusulat, and here are the results. So ayan, kita nyo naman na nandyan din yung elements of design. Meron tayo ditong mga shapes, the writing, sorry nga pala sa handwriting guys. Ayan, so meron nga rin pala ditong sa back. So ayan, kita nyo naman guys, kaya ako gumamit ng stapler is para mas cleaner yung look ng ating paper, kasi if glue ginamit ko dan, may mga smudges yan all over the back, kaya mas practical na gumamit tayo ng stapler kahit may mga mark siya. Mas malinis naman and mas presentable. Yun lang. Bye. Thank you for watching.